What is Rust? Rust is a programming language designed to be safe, concurrent, and practical. It is a systems programming language that runs blazingly fast, prevents seg faults, and guarantees thread safety. Rust is also memory efficient. It uses minimal memory, making it ideal for embedded systems. Benefits of Rust. Rust is a fast and efficient language used to create high-performance applications. Rust is also a safe and reliable language, which makes it perfect for developing mission-critical software. Additionally, Rust is easy to learn and use, and has a great community of developers who are always willing to help. Cons of Rust. While Rust has many features that make it an attractive language, there are some drawbacks to using it. There needs to be more support or documentation available for other languages because it is a new language, making it difficult to learn and use Rust. Additionally, Rust only supports some platforms, and it can be challenging to integrate with existing code bases. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.